GoHighLevel 30-day free trial. So if you want to get an extended 30-day free trial, simply just click the top link down below in the video description or pin comment section down below, or simply just go to GoHighLevel.com/send. GoHighLevel.com/send. That's all you need to do, and you'll come to a page that looks something like this, where you can get a 30-day free trial. It's an extended trial because typically there's only a 14-day trial, but you can get a extended 30-day free trial by simply going on this page by clicking the top link down below in the video description. As you can see, just simply click on start an extended free trial. You're putting your information right here and you'll be all good to go, so you can sign up for an exclusive extended 30-day trial of GoHighLevel or HighLevel. And if you're already an existing user as well, you can click on this right here, and there's also some options and some like discounts. So as you can see right here, if you're currently a high-level agency startup plan like user, you'll receive a $400 coupon. If you're on the high-level agency unlimited plan, you'll receive a $200 coupon. So you can also go ahead and put in information right here if you're an existing user as well. So again, simply just click the top link down below and you'll be able to get the best GoHighLevel free trial that is available, which is the 30-day trial. So yeah, thanks for watching today's GoHighLevel 30-day free trial video.